So far guys, para siya dito may bagyo. Hindi ako makapag-swimming because, ayan, masyado po siyang maulan. Pero guys, masyado po siyang mahangin. As in, mahangin po. I'm trying to chill here. Pero masyado po mahangin tsaka po Siargao Island Villas. Ito po yung beach. Ito po ay front beach. Pero at this time, mahangin po siya ngayon. Tsaka maulan. Parang bukas pa ito matatapos na ulan. Rainy. So yung Starbucks. So here. So this one I ordered chocolate chip cookies and salted caramel. But this one is melting. I'm craving for seafood, so I go to Masa Seafood Bar and Grill. I ordered the black paella, mixed seafoods, and tropical juice.